The TechPoint Bootcamp as a whole has just been a great experience.
Kind of get my foot in the door and meet different people and also learn more about what kind of culture that I'm most interested in.
Haven't ever seen anything like it, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
It's been like learning how to ride a bike with training wheels.
It's really helping us learn quickly and appreciate the opportunities.
Covideo's been a great experience. I've got to meet a lot of friendly people, even met Emma the dog.
I think my biggest standout moment was just getting my first booking. I didn't get any done last week at my last place, so it was exciting to finally do something that I would actually be performing at if I did get a job like this.
Certainly a standout moment, I guess, would be having the opportunity to do the Covideo presentations ourselves and actually recording videos for clients. Not necessarily loving being in front of the camera, so doing that was definitely an opportunity to improve that process.
I've really enjoyed hanging out with the team here. You know, after having a few tough calls, really supportive, you know, help resetting your mindset, getting right back in there.
Everyone's been really helpful. I've learned a lot.
It's just been a great experience getting to know everyone here at Covideo.